Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address that is associated to your Roblox account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to roblox.com. As you go to roblox.com, you'll be asked to either continue in app or to continue in browser. So here I choose to continue in browser. I'm just going to tap on continue in browser, and as I do that, I'll also be asked to enter credentials in order to log into my account. So make sure you do that, and I already logged into your account. And after this, you can see that on the top right corner, there's a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and select the option that says settings. After selecting settings, you will now be directed towards an interface that will basically give you all of your account information. Here, as you can see, different information that is related to my account is currently displayed here. Now, if I'd like to change my email address, under account information, there's an option that says email address. So tap on the edit button besides the email address. And now what you can do is you can change my email. Tap on the change my email. Here it says the account email will not be changed until the new email has been verified. So change your account email. Here I'm just going to type in the email address. And after doing this, also type in your password in order to verify your. Make sure that you enter the correct password. Here I'm going to redo it and then tap on change email now. So here it says an email has been sent for verification. Tap on OK, and then now go and see for yourself if you've received any sort of email from Roblox. So I'm just going to go and see if I have received an email into the particular email address that I just changed into. So here I'm just going to wait. So here, as you can see, I've already received an email. I'm just going to tap on verify email now and then open it through a web browser. As I open it through a web browser, I will now be directed towards a page that will let me know that my email has been verified. So wait until this happens. Here it says your email has been verified. So now when you go back and then see for yourself in the settings, you'll be able to see that your email address will now have been changed. So here, as you can see, your email has been changed. So it is this easy to change your email on Roblox. It's quite a simple process, but don't forget to follow the step-by-step instructions.